Hello, I'm Mark Moreau, a director of Southeast Louisiana Legal Services. We are a civil legal aid program for low-income people. We have 4 offices throughout Greater New Orleans and Southeast Louisiana, including a large office in downtown New Orleans with about 28 lawyers. So we are one of the larger law firms in the state. What we do is help people with civil problems who can't afford to hire a lawyer. To be eligible for our services, you generally have to meet income guidelines, and they vary by the nature of the service that you need. For example, most of our services are available to people who make less than $22,000 a year if they have 3 people in their family. On the other hand, we have a tax law clinic which can represent people up to maybe $45,000 or so for a family of 3. So the income guidelines do vary, and the only way to find out whether you'd qualify is to call us and go through our eligibility. I would like to talk a little about our tax law project because it's, that's an area where people have had more and more problems, and tax can make a major impact on somebody who has a problem with the IRS. For example, if they've been denied their earned income credit, or they are getting collection notices from the IRS, or if they've had a spouse who's failed to file tax returns and left them holding the bag for a large amount. Recently we've been able to get very substantial monetary relief for people in situations like that. Since Hurricane Katrina, most of our legal work has been in the housing and family law areas. Housing problems deal with landlord-tenant disputes, home ownership, foreclosure, and all the post-Katrina disaster programs. Family, our services involve protecting people from family violence, helping people go through the legal procedures for obtaining divorce and custody of their children. These problems have increased greatly since Katrina, and we've responded accordingly to that need. You can apply for our services by calling the office nearest to you. We have offices in downtown New Orleans, Moreau, Hammond, and Covington. In New Orleans, the number is 504-529-1000. If you have a legal problem and think you may qualify, give us a call at that number.